Today we break ground on Phase 1, a 900-seat amphitheater that will soon be home to musical concerts from across a range of genres, popular contemporary music, big bands, choral groups, symphonic performances, and more. It's also an amphitheater that's going to be home to theatrical performances, outdoor worship services, public lectures, student instruction, and a whole lot more. This is going to be a place that enlivens our campus. It's going to be a place that engages our community. It's going to be an interactive space where we can all come together, have fun, and make good memories. And so today we celebrate the university's dream and the generosity of David and Marie Brinkley. And that combination, that very special combination, makes today possible.
For our university, this is going to be something that just nobody else has. And the blessings that amphitheater is going to bring to this community, but also to the county. There's going to be people coming from far away to come and celebrate in this amphitheater. And it's meaningful to this university.
And these investments in young people, these investments in our community, are building an indelible and lasting legacy of positive impact. It speaks volumes about the importance of this project and the way in which it's going to bring people together.